Class, I hope you all are fine. We'll continue unit number 5, which is multiplication, and in this video we are going to do from page 97 to page 102. So let's start. Okay, in the previous video we had done table of 2. Now we are going to do table of 3 times table. So okay, what do we get when we add 3 in 0? 1, 2, 3, and when we add 3 in 3 we get 4, 5, 6. So we this bunny is jumping in threes because in every jump he is taking how many steps? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So bunny is taking 3 steps. So he is jumping in threes. Now in this question we have to count in threes. What do we get when we add 3 in 0? Let's see. What is written here? 3. So when we add 3 in 0, we get 3. What do we get when we add 3 in 6? Where is 6? This is 6. And when you add 3 in 6, we get, he jumped from here to here. So we get 9. So let's write 9 here. Then what do we get when we add 3 in 12? Where is 12? This is 12. We have to move 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. So what do we get? We get 15. Now look at this part B. What do we get when we add 3 in 3? We get 6. What do we get when we add 3 in 9? 9. 1, 2, 3. So we get 12. So we have to write 12 here. Similarly, you have to do all these parts, and we get, when we add 3 in 15, we get 18. When we add 3 in 12, we get 15. After 18, we get 21. After 24, we get, when you add 3 in 24, you get 27. When you add 3 in 9, we get 12, 15, 21, 24, 27. So this is how you have to do this question. You have to count in threes by using this number line. Now come to page number 98. In question number 3, what you have to do is write in the empty boxes. Okay, we have to count these threes and write in these boxes here. First one is already done. What is done here? That how many threes are here? 2. So we wrote 2 multiplied by 3, just like we did in the table of 2. When we were doing a 2 times table, then we did the same. Now we are counting threes. How many threes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we wrote 4 into 3. So what is 4 multiplied by 3? What do you get when you add 3 4 times? 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 9. 9 plus 3 12. So what we have to write here? 12. Okay. How many threes are here in C part? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many threes we have? 6. So we will write 6 multiplied by 3. So when you add them, it becomes 18. Now it is 3 multiplied by 3. It means that we have 3 threes here. So we will write 3 times here. 3 plus 3 plus 3. So when you add them together, it will become 9. You can add them by drawing lines like this. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I have drawn 3 lines 3 times here. Count them together, it will become 9. Okay, and the E part is, okay, you have to do this part by yourself. E part. Now come to question number 4. Multiply and find the answers. Okay, 8 threes are. So when you add 3, how many times? 8 times. Let's see what do we get. It means you have to add 3 8 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you have to plus them. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's draw lines and then add them. So I have drawn lines here. Now you can count them easily. Count them and it becomes 24. And 5 threes are What do we get when we add 3 how many times? 5 times. So when you add 3 5 times, you have to draw lines like this and then you have to count them and write the number in the box. We get 15. So let's write 15 here. And 7 threes are 21 and 6 threes are 18. Okay, now in E part, how many wheels? Okay, we have to count the wheels of this tricycle. How many wheels one tricycle has? One tricycle has 3 wheels. So how many wheels 4 tricycles will have? It means you have to multiply 4 by 3 because you have to add 3 wheels how many times? 4 times. So 4 threes are 12. Now you have to count the wheels of 3 tricycles. So you will multiply 3 by 3. It will become 9. 9 tricycles. So you will multiply 9 by 3. So and 6 tricycles you will multiply 6 by 3. So 9 threes are 27 and 6 threes are 18. Now come to the next page. Okay, now here we have to write the times table of 3. So let's write. First is already done. 1 threes are 3. Now you have to do this. How many triangles are here? 2. And how many dots are in each triangle? 3 dots. So 2 threes are, so you will write here 2 threes are, if you count the dots inside 1 2 3 4 5 6, 3 threes are, if you count the dots it will become 9. 4 threes are, so 4 threes are 12. 1 2 3 4 5. So here you will write 5 threes are, here you will write 5 threes are 15. 6 threes are 18. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So you will write 7 threes are 21. 8 threes are 24. 9 threes are 27. 10 threes are 30. So you have to write the table of 3 in your notebook. Now come to page 100. Now we are going to do multiplication table of times table of 4. Now here, because we are going to do table of 4, so Bunny is jumping in 4s. Now you have to add 4 every time. You have to write the number. What do we get when we add 4 in 0? We get 4. What do we get when you add 4 in 8? 1 2 3 4. Let's draw 4 lines here and start counting from 8 9 10 11 12. Then start counting from 16 17 18 19 20. Similarly, here you have to write, what do we get when we add 4 in 12? 16. What do we get when we add 4? 28. 8. What do we get when we add 4 in 12? 16. 24. So you have to count 4 in each step and you have to write the numbers here. 32, 36, 40. It's the same step. Now come to page 101. Here it's the same question just like we did with the timetable of 3. Now how many 4s are here? 5 4s. So it's written here 5 4s are. If you count them together, count the dots inside these squares. How many these dots are in total? These are 20. And how many squares are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So how many 4s you will write here? 7 4s. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So here you will write 7 4s are 28. And D and E part you have to do by yourself. In question number 4, again you have to add 4 how many times? 6 times, just like it is done here. So 6 4s are 24. So what you will write here? 24. Okay, so 2 4s are 8. You have to add 4 only 2 times. 1 4, 2 4. Count them, it will become 8. 4 4s are, just like it is done here. So 4 4s are 16. 10 fours are 40. It means you are adding 4 10 times. Now, how many legs do the following have? Okay, 5 chairs. How many legs one chair has? One chair has 4 legs. So we will multiply 4 with 5. We get 20. Okay, how many legs one elephant has? 4. So we will multiply 3 by 4. So 3 fours are 12. 9 tigers. So you will multiply 9 by 4. 9 fours are 36. 8. So one table has 4 legs. So 8 multiplied by 4 is 32. Now you have to write the table of 4 here. Okay, here first one is already done. 1 fours are 1 4 is 4. 2 fours are, so let's write 2 fours are 8. 3 fours are 12. Now here we have 4 fours, so you have to write 4 fours are 16. 5 fours are 20. 6 fours are 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. Here you have to write 7 fours are 28. 8 fours are 32. Then we have 9 fours are 36 and 10 fours are 40. And you have to write the table of 4 in your notebook. This is all your homework. You have to complete all the work from page 97 to page 102 on your book, and in your neat notebook you have to write only table of 3 and 4 very neatly. If you have any question, then you can contact on school's contact number. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.